Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how to use tf.nn.log underscore Poisson underscore loss in TensorFlow. And for that, we have created a simple example. Here, what we have is true counts. Let's say these are the true counts. And then we have predicted counts. And let's say these are predicted counts again from our model that is doing the predictions. And so if we want to use the Poisson loss, then log Poisson loss, then this is what we would type: tf.nn.log underscore Poisson underscore loss. And inside of this we have the inputs. Target is the true counts, log input is the predicted counts, and when we run this, we calculate the values for the log Poisson loss. So that was it for this video. Thank you, and I hope to see you all in the next video.